Now the 9 o'clock news with John Humphreys.
A man who was convicted of murdering a schoolgirl 16 years ago was today declared innocent by the Court of Appeal. The relatives of the dead girl said, "I hope the real murderer has not killed anyone else in those 16 years." A clash in the Commons over the long-term unemployed. The figures are the worst for 3 years. Good evening. 16 years ago, Stefan Kiszko was convicted of murdering an 11-year-old girl, Leslie Molesey. Today, the Court of Appeal found that he could not have been guilty of that murder. The evidence which proved he was innocent had been available at the time of his trial, but was not disclosed to his defense lawyers. There's to be a police inquiry into that, and the police have reopened the investigation into the murder. Mr. Kiszko has spent most of the last 16 years in a top-security psychiatric hospital. His mental condition had deteriorated while he was in prison. This report from Mike Mackay.